Hi guys, welcome to the Cooking Center. Today we're going to be making salmon. Let's get started. Alrighty, so let's pour some oil over the pan. Then let's grab our salmon. Let's put it on the pan. Let's put our salmon on the pan and then we're gonna season it. Put some salt. Some pepper. And then let's do it for the other. Salt and pepper. Put some more oil for our potatoes we're gonna put on. Put our potatoes on. And then we'll season our potatoes. Let's grab our potato seasoning. And then we're gonna put salt and pepper on our potatoes. Okay. Now, let's preheat the oven. We'll be right back. Now, you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, we'll be right back to put the salmon in. Alrighty guys, now we're going to put the salmon in the oven. Make sure to put the salmon in the oven for 22 minutes. Bake on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Alrighty guys, as you can see it's done. I will try a bite soon. See you then. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna try a bite. Good. Really good. If you like the video, subscribe.